Hello loves, hope you're doing well. Welcome back again to this channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now you know you are always my best friend. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a green grocery shopping. And after, I'm going to be doing a haul for you. So right now I'm here in Naivas supermarket, and then later I'm going to be in Quickmart, because there are other things that I'm supposed to be collecting from Quickmart, because nowadays you are checking the prices first and then decide where to shop. So I think in Naivas there are things that are cheaper, and in Quickmart there are things that are cheaper also. So I decided to also come and pick other groceries that I don't have in the house, like rice and some cereals. So let me shop, and then I'm going to be giving you a haul later.
Hold me close till I get.
How can we not notice the price difference of this rice? In Naivas it was 1629 Kenya shillings, while in Quickmart it's only 1400 Kenya shillings. You save 200 more. In both supermarkets the rice was on offer, but in Quickmart it was a better offer. This is the reason why I'm not loyal to any of the supermarkets, because if I was loyal to any of the supermarkets, I wouldn't have enjoyed this good offer. If you know, you know.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So here I got some greens. This is the spinach and the kales. Here are the prices. This was going for 33 each bundle, and all these are for 99 bob. So this is 100 bob. And also for the spinach it was the same, and then the cabbage was going for 99 bob, that's 100. And then the arrowroots, this was for it was a bit pricey, 552, but it's of good size, and the quality I think it's good. I think, because I'm not sure. And then I got the dengu, the green grams, 1 kg, the Nutramil. This is the brand that I love. So I also got these mushrooms, 250 gram, and also tomatoes. This one we are going for 184. These ones I mixed them, the ripe ones and the non-ripe ones. I also got some white onions. This was going for, actually the red onions were a bit pricey, so I didn't pick that. I'm going to be buying a place that I saw they are being sold on wholesale, and I think it's going to work for me, so I'm going to be collecting the red onions tomorrow. I also got some ginger over here. This pack was 36 bob. And then some potatoes. This was going for how much was this? 291. And also, so this is all that I got from Naivas, the green groceries. So let me show you what I got from Quickmart. So this is what I got from Quickmart. I got this sunrise basmati rice, which is always my to-go rice. This is 5 kgs. And tell me why the prices from Naivas and Quickmart vary for the same brand of rice, but I guess it was on offer, that's why it was a bit low. And then I have this herbal seasoning salt. If you love adding raw salt, this is the best salt to add on food. You can eat this salt with fries, on your food, without cooking. This is the best one. And then I got this Famila, the original uji mix. It's a soap porridge. Then ginger from Jumbo. This is the brand that I don't know. I've not used it before. It's called Jumbo. I'm going to try and see. Then this is spaghetti. This is a value pack of 3. It's how many grams? I can't really see, and I can't really see the grams. And this is the sugar, 2 kgs, and 2 packets of maize flour. So that's all that I got from Quickmart. Yeah. I passed by MRP to get some pants that I had spotted some time back, and here are the pants that I'm going to be trying. And I also got a dress, this white one, And for the pants, I took two. I took one in small and the other one in medium. This is the medium size, and it was a bit big for me, so I didn't take that. So I'm now trying the small one. This is the small size, and it felt like it was fitting me well. This is what I'm going to be taking home. The dress was too small for me, so I didn't take it. So yesterday I mentioned about getting some onions, so I got these onions. These are 2 kgs onions, some lemon, and some fruits. Here I have the pineapple, 1 pineapple, some oranges, mangoes, and then here I have minji, the green peas over here. This one I got from the market, and then some bananas over here. I got this spice, the aromat naturally tasty seasoning. It has all this focus, it's not focusing. It has onion, bay leaf, and turmeric. Yeah, so also I got some green bananas. We are not ready to win the baby, that's why I got this for the baby, and maybe for matoke if it remains. And also I got this mandazi. These are the Naivas mandazi. They go for only 50 bob. I got coriander. This pack was going for 40 bob, and it's a lot. And then there is this pearl basmati, which I'm going to be trying how it tastes and how it cooks if inachana kamoja kamoja, and it comes with a free 500 gram of green peas. I mean, it comes with a free pack of green grams. Yeah, so that's what I got today. I got this portable hanger that I want to be using it in one of my balconies, more so the bedroom one. So it's a portable one. You can unfold it as you can see from the picture, and then fold it once you are done as it is. Later in the day, I got my fish delivery, and here are the fish that I got, and they are of good size. They come fried, and this is 300 Kenya shilling each fish. And guys, they are sweet. Let me tell you, they are sweet. I recommend. And I'm going to be leaving a plug for this fish on your screen, so that in case that you want this fish, you can just make an order.
The storms we chase.
And for being a good client to her, she gifted me this whole pack of omena. And this is how I store my fish. I always use a cling film. I cover them with the cling film like so, and then put them in the fridge or in the freezer. It depends with the time that we are going to be taking fish. The ones that maybe we are going to be taking today or sooner, I'm going to be putting them in the fridge. And the ones that we are going to be maybe not taking today, I'm going to be freezing them in the freezer. Just that. When you cover your fish with a cling film, it prevents your fridge from having this fish smell. By the way, guys, how do you store your greens, that is the kales, the spinach, and the cabbage, to last for long? And I think I'm going to be sharing with you how I do this, because for me it lasts for about like 2 weeks. So these are the kales and the spinach. They have been cutting. What I do now, I always steam them. I like pre-cook them just barely, not cook them fully, just like steaming them. So that's what I'm doing, and then put them in a Ziploc, then to my freezer. Then for my coriander, I always put them in a cling film, but before washing them, because I realized when I wash them before putting them here, they always go bad very quick. So also for my cabbage, I cut it into pieces like so, and then put it in the cling film, then place it in my fridge. No, I don't want to waste what's left. So for the greens, I'm going to be putting them in the freezer, and then for the cabbage and the coriander, they are going to go in the fridge. If you've been here for a while now, I know you've seen in one of my previous video, I did a haul on what I got for my baby at 6 months. Actually, today as I'm filming this video, we are 6 months, and I had not cleaned his utensils, so I decided it's time to clean them today so that we can now start winning tomorrow. Actually, we are supposed to be winning today, but the utensils were not clean. So I'm cleaning them, and then by tomorrow, we are going to start winning. So let me do that and then talk to you guys later.
on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Today is the following day and I decided to unwrap this kahanga that I got yesterday. Actually, it's foldable and portable. You can move it around anywhere that you want to use it from. So I'm assembling it, and here I'm trying to figure out on how I'm going to be able to assemble it fully. So I'm going to be cleaning the pants that I got yesterday from MRP and use it so that I can see how it works. This is how this thing looks when assembled. You can hang a lot of clothes over here on your balcony. And actually I got 2 different colors of the pants that I was getting from MRP. And yeah, that's it for this. It's around 6:10 p.m. and this is the sunset. The sun is coming into the house that is setting, and we are here enjoying the sunset view from the house. So guys, this is the end of the video, and until my next video, bye bye and take care of yourselves.